Yeah, dude, look at this puddle. I've been talking about building a boat for like the past 3 days in this puddle, but it's been disappearing and coming back every time it rains. Sunset at 5:09. We literally have an hour. Do you think we can build a boat in half an hour and come back and drive it in the pond?
I mean, we've built a craft boat before.
It's gonna be really bad.
Let's do it.
Oh! Do a trick.
Sweet ollie, boy.
Yeah! Here's the plan. We have a lake, this is our boat, and this is us.
Okay, I follow.
Also, if you haven't noticed, I shaved my beard.
Yeah, you look very presentable finally.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
People were being mean about it. Yeah, but it still doesn't make you feel great when no matter what you do, people think you suck. I've kind of wanted to make the boat out of something that appliance came in. Yeah, like that. Piece of foam with a giant hole in it. What are our other options? Make a boat out of this.
Oh, okay.
Why not?
Sure, let's do it.
Do we want to try to make it better than bad?
Wait, where do you want to put the propellers? Do you want to put them on the back, like pushing the nose of the boat in, or do you want to put it on the front, pulling the nose of the boat in?
Morgan's gonna try to mount the pumpkin hovercraft propellers to the foam. Is it a toaster box? It kind of looks like the toaster box.
I thought you said it was a blender box.
Or a blender? Oh no, this might be the coffee machine? Look, we're almost done, Morgan. Tell me what you are working on right now.
I'm just mounting the motors, but I'm measuring it for once so that we can get it relatively in the center. That way when you hit the gas or hit the juice, it doesn't keep turning like side to side, so it actually will just hopefully go straight.
Wait, you're measuring what?
What? I'm just trying to get the propellers so that they produce thrust.
Wait, you're trying to make our bad boat really good?
Wait, should I just keep making it bad?
Well, I just think how much better could the boat possibly get? I'm actually kind of worried that it won't move at all.
Yeah. Hey, hey. It's in there.
All right, we have like 5 minutes to try and wrap this up and get over to the part because we're losing our light really, really fast. I'm gonna have to do the thing I always say is a huge no-no, and that is digging through old projects to get it, and you're sitting on top of it right now. It's the Power Wheels car, and in there somewhere is a connector I'm going to steal. Tell me how good this wedge is gonna be.
Look, you know it's gonna be bad, but
no, how good is the wedge gonna be?
It's gonna be the greatest freaking wedge ever.
Yeah, it's gonna be the greatest wedge ever.
Simply the best.
Are you putting it on the backside?
What? Hey, we just made the worst boat in history.
Morgan, we have a slight problem.
Yes.
It's pitch black.
We missed our deadline. And it's going the wrong way.
How did the building the boat before sundown go? Has Will's own hubris shot him in the foot once again?
It went.
Oh, is it recording?
It went.
You know what?
Yeah, it goes forward now. Michael, it goes forward now.
Piece of shit.
It's boat time.
Yeah, let's just grab a light and go to the pond anyway.
Okay.
Running? Yeah. Well, we all stop me.
Oh look, there he goes. He's calling the police. Bring it on. I dare you. I dare you. Oh, now I know why he called. I didn't see you there.
Oh, it's Michael.
Hey Michael, you've been watching a lot of AVE?
Yeah.
Because I see you just bought a Vice. What are you gonna put in it?
What are you gonna put in the Vice, Michael?
Michael, what are you gonna put in the Vice? Hey! I just realized we went to Home Depot for literally no reason and explained nothing, and it's gonna stay that way. What are you building, Michael? What are you working on? Michael, what are you working on? Michael, why are you putting it up on the bench? You're gonna need a step stool to use it.
Huh?
You're gonna need a step stool.
Alright, what?
You're gonna need, hey, I've got like some money in my wallet. I'm just zooming in on your face. I always wanted to do a thing where you put like a minute or two of video in and just see how long people stick through it.
Like a social experiment?
Yeah. We're only at like 20 seconds right now. Michael, what are you cooking?
Nah.
I'm not surprised.
They stole the bikes and now I have to drive to the park.
I didn't see it there.
This feels dangerous. You have to stop at the stop sign!
Let me see that.
Whoa, that's bright. I am
Oh my
so
God.
sorry.
You got a juicy looking ass there, Will. Yeah. You got like a nice little.
Is that my battery?
Yes.
To the top of that?
Yes. Two brushless motors for the propellers, same as the pumpkin hovercraft. Yeah, they are. They literally are the pumpkin hovercraft.
You said same as. I'm like,
is that just like a cut off CNC scrap?
yes.
Yeah.
Not even like.
Does it float? Yes. It's dreadfully slow. Do you want to drive it? Sure. It's really not that fun.
This is the shittiest boat ever.
Thank you, Marty.
I love it.
You helped.
I know. Only we can do something so dreadfully awesome.
A sinking ship made out of trash in the front.
Is it sinking? Hello there, sir. I would just like to ask you, how do you feel about this boat you're seeing right now?
It makes me like realize my own mortality. Like everything's gonna sink eventually.
I think that's about all the fun we're gonna have with this boat.
It's been 5 minutes.
How do we make it more fun?
Sink
More
it.
power.
More power?
Either one.
Oh my
that,
God, why is
that
the
is solid drop
Why
in
is
the lens.
Oh, is there
Drop in the
water
lens.
on the lens? Thank you everyone for watching. It's starting to rain, so we can't have any more fun with this boat. We were having a blast. It's so much fun.
Shut the
This boat's so good.
This is dumb.
It's so good. It's such a good boat.
How do you
Stop,
top
Michael.
yourself every time by making something worse?
I just lie and I say it's oh wait, did you say worse or better?
We made a trash boat, Will.
All right, I'm gonna go now. Bye.